Hello everyone, welcome to the inaugural edition of the Sustainable Packaging Conference hosted by Waste and Recycling Middle East and Africa, a Media Fusion publication. Over the next 4 hours, industry professionals will share their experience, discuss and debate key topics and latest trends across the packaging industry. Before we start the session, we'd like to take a moment to recognize the sponsors and supporting partners. We extend our heartfelt thanks and appreciation to our platinum sponsors, Taghleef Industries and RECAPP. We also express our heartfelt thanks to Buruj, SIG, and Tetra Pak, the gold sponsors for the conference. Detailed information about these companies is available on the event platform. And now, we start off with the opening remarks by Mr. Ibrahim Hammoda, Head of Sales and Marketing AMEA Region, Taghleef Industries, followed by Mr. Jerome Viricel, General Manager, RECAPP at Veolia Middle East. Thank you.
Marhaba, hi. This is Ibrahim Hammoda. It's exciting to be here with you. We are here at Sustainable Packaging Conference today to have wider conversations on sustainability of packaging industry in the region, starting on waste to imminent challenges. All these to create a better community for us, our children and generations to come. Food industry increasingly gearing up for working against food wastage, improved safety through better packaging, of disposing the packaging after the use. Indeed, we need to look at this holistically. I represent Taghleef Industry, a global organization born in this region. Sustainability is nothing new for Taghleef. It is our preoccupation, not only in the global front, but also responsibility to elevate the region, this region, to what we do the best. In 2020, we decided to coin dynamic cycle in order to capture what Taghleef had been doing and wants to do on sustainability. We decided the unique selling point of our concept would be together we innovate for future generations. Our program encompasses a set of initiatives regarding our service and our product portfolio, as well as the corporate goals and commitments. Everything today is linked under dynamic cycle. Taghleef Redesign is where we offer our customers the option to switch to move sustainable structures in applications that traditionally use multi-materials lamination with paper or aluminum or PE. We arrive with a mono-material solution that have been tested in the market with machine manufacturers, ensuring application is valuable throughout the market. We also have created our Relife range, which consists of our existing portfolio with PCR resin, with either chemically or mechanically recycled content or reprocessed granules. Thank you very much.
The Sustainability Packaging Conference, organized by Waste Recycling MEA, is a great opportunity for RECAPP to introduce what is the initiative of this digital application enabling a door-to-door collection for the citizens who live in the UAE. This conference will gather a lot of companies from the private sector and the public sectors, mainly the F&B sector, the brand owners, the retailers, the manufacturers, the packaging companies, and the local public entities. All of them are key players for the development of this circular economy in the UAE. And RECAPP is a service enabling to collect more at source from the citizen and resident. By collecting at source, we are able to secure a feedstock of recyclable that we will be able to provide to all the companies dedicated for the recycling process of those recyclables. We provide this service for free because we do believe that it's important to educate the population. And we can do that with the support of all the brand owners from the F&B sector and from the packaging industry. The UAE government set up some targets for 2030. Ideally, we have to divert 75% of the waste from the landfills. And the role of RECAPP is to be one of these key players, doing the link between the citizen and the private sector and the public sector, educating people by spreading more information about the importance to recycle and to create a synergy between the private companies and the citizen, the household. The role of the packaging industry is really important by providing a new way to produce the packaging in the world in order to facilitate the recycling process. But the role of the citizen is also very important. So the full commitment of the entire stakeholders from the household to the public sector, passing by the private companies in charge of the development of new products, is essential. We can see today a very good enthusiastic behavior around the RECAPP application. It means that the population is willing to recycle more. The purpose of RECAPP by Veolia is to empower the whole community by giving them the opportunity to be part of the ecological transformation in the UAE.